Guys, you see this platform you are seeing right here. I want us to talk about this platform on this video. Yes, why I want us to talk about this platform is so I want us to review the platform together and see how the platform is and if really you can make money from the platform, because a lot of people have come to my DM asking me about this platform, that I should check the platform and make a review about the platform and check if they can really make money from the platform. So I want you guys to watch this video to the end, because in this video I'm going to review a lot of things from this platform. If you can really make money from the platform, you are going to know after you watch this video. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Meanwhile, I'm not a financial advisor, neither am I the one who created the platform. I am not the one who created the platform. I was searching online and I saw the platform and I decided to check the platform out and make a review about the platform and see how the platform is, how you can register on the platform and everything about the platform. So in this video, I want us to take a look at the platform together and check everything about the platform. So make sure you make your own proper research before you start to do anything on this platform for some security purpose. Just the way I said, I am not a financial advisor, neither am I who created the platform. This is a quick disclaimer to let you know that this video you are watching right now was not sponsored by anybody. In fact, I'm just making my own personal review and my experience from the platform. How is the platform working? If really you can make money from the platform, that is what I want us to check on this video. So let me take you guys to my phone screen right now and show you guys how this platform is and also how you can get started on the platform and check out if you can really make money from the platform. Now, to get started, all you have to do to register on this platform, I'll be leaving down the link to this platform on the description of this video or the comment section of this video. You can go and check it out if you want to check it out. After you watch this video to the end and you decided to check it out, go to the description of this video. You'll be seeing the link to my Telegram channel, and the link to this platform will be on my Telegram channel together with the link of this video. So when you click on the link, it will take you to an interface like this where you are going to register, and to register is going to bring you to an interface where it will tell you to fill all these informations you are seeing here. And after you fill out all this information, the next thing you are going to do is to click on sign up. This register sign up button here, you click on it, and after you click on it, you are going to be registered and taken to the interface of the platform. Now, this is how you are going to see the interface of the platform, just the way you are seeing it right here, and you are going to see all these things. I've talked about this type of platform before. I've made a review about it. So me seeing this kind of platform like this right now again, when a lot of people want me to talk about it, I'll also talk about it again. Now, looking at the interface like this, you are going to see all these things you are seeing right here, like withdraw, recharge, and everything. Now, this platform you are seeing here has two ways, which is the first one, it is called Loop here, and the second one, it is called. Now I'll be explaining about these two differences between these two and how it works according to the platform. Now this Loop, which is the first one, work in the ways that maybe you put your money, like you are doing investment, and you'll be making interest every day according to the platform. That is what they said. Now the second one here, which is called the first, is the one that you put your money and you'll be making, as if you save your money and you'll be making interest of all the money you save. So it have their differences. Now let's check about the first one. When you click on the first one, you are going to see where you are going to put the money you want to put, and maybe you are investing your money and you can select the date you want to invest your money, and every day you are going to see how much you'll be making depend on the day you selected. If you select 3 days, 4 days, in fact any day you select, you are going to see the interest you make after that day. So this is how this first one work, which is called Loop. Now the second one here, which is called, this is where if you tap on it, this is where you are going to save your money, and when you are saving your money, you'll be gaining some interest according to the platform. Now the question is, does this really work? That is why I say you need to watch this video to the end. This kind of platform is not 100% guaranteed that you are going to make money from the platform, and according to my own research and based on what I said by the beginning of this video, I'm not a financial advisor, neither am I the one who created this platform. So I'm not advising you to jump into it. Make your own proper research before you start to do anything investment or you start to drop your money on this type of platform. Make your own proper research. If you make your own proper research and you are okay with it, you can try it. But if you make your own research and you are not okay with it, you can leave it. I am not forcing anybody to try the platform. Now let me show you another things on this platform again which you don't know. Now when you come to the home page like this, you are going to see where they say invite here, and when you click on it, you are going to see where they are going to give you invitation link, that if you invite people, you also be making money. According to the platform, you also be earning some commission for inviting people to the platform. Now, another thing about this platform is that when you come to here, you are going to see where you're going to recharge or withdraw. So if you want to recharge, when you click on the recharge here, you are going to see where they are going to provide you with the different type of TRC20 wallet address, which you just click on and you go and recharge money if you want to recharge and want to try the platform. And also, if you want to withdraw money from the platform, all you just have to do is just to come back to withdraw here, and you are going to see where you are going to put your withdrawal method and you withdraw your money. So now let me tell you most things I need to know about this platform. Now, this type of platform, why I say it's not 100% guarantee, and we all know that it's an investment platform, and every investment platform online involves risk. So if you are willing to take the risk, you can try it, but if you are not willing to take the risk, you can leave it. If you have the mind, it's your own choice, but if you don't have your mind, you can leave it. I am not forcing you, or I am not telling you that you are going to make money from the platform. This is just my honest review about the platform. This type of platform, I don't advise you jump into it just the way you see it. You can make your own proper research about the platform. After you make your own proper research, you are okay with it, you can try it. But if you make your own research and you are not okay with it, you can leave it. This is what I have to say about this platform. So looking at all the review about this platform, I can say that this platform is 100% legit. It has some red flag from the registration, deposit, withdrawal, everything has red flag. So make your own proper research before you jump into a platform like this. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell, so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.